Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to see strategy which is used for intraday index trading. The strategy is a combination of Renko charts and super trend. Okay. First, we'll see the strategy. The setup is simple. You have to plot the 5-minute chart, and chart type is Renko, and then just go with the super trend default setting. Okay, no change in that. Actually, I tried doing this setup in TradingView, but it doesn't happen because for if you wanna use a five intraday Renko chart, then you have to subscribe to its membership. So I recommend you to use Zerotha, where we can get this setup without any hassle. Okay, so this is the trade setup. The strategy is simple. You buy when the super trend gives buy signal. The kind of tweak in this is just don't buy whenever it gives the signal. Buy when the buy signal candle high is broken. Okay. Similarly, sell when you get the super trend sell signal low is broken. Okay. Now we know when to enter. Target, exit when you get the opposite signal. If you are in a buy signal, exit when you get the sell signal. When you are in a sell signal, exit when you get the buy signal. Okay, that is the target. So what is the stop loss? Three opposite signals color. So which means if you are in a buy trend and if you get a three sell candles, exit. If you are in a sell signal and you are riding it, and if you get three green candle, exit. That is the stop loss. Okay. Uh, Initially, maybe you can keep the entry candles low or one candle below that. But once you keep on riding the trend and you want to explore the benefit as much as possible, then you can have three opposite if you're in a buy, three red candle is the stop loss. If you're in sell, three green candle is the stop loss. Okay. So re-insist on the strategy. Buy when you get the super trend signal buy, and buy when the signal candle high is broken. Sell when the super trend gives sell, and then buy when the super trend sell low is broken. Sorry, signal low is broken. And the target when you get the reverse direction, exit the position. And the stop losses. Three opposite signals color. So if you are in a buy, exit when you get the three red candles, and if you are in a sell, exit when you get the three green candles. Okay, that's the strategy. We'll see this strategy for Nifty and Bank Nifty now, how it actually worked. So now super trend is buy signal. It was broken, so we have taken a position here. We took a position here. Initially, this is the stop loss. If you want to do it conservatively, maybe you can keep this as a stop loss. Okay. So we entered a position somewhere here, and then we exited somewhere here where we got three red candles. Okay. So our target is achieved. So this is how many points. If you see with the points wise, it comes close to 180 points. 5 minutes candle, 180 points, guys. And then again here we got a sell signal, but the sell signal low is not broken. Just wait here, take a position. So this is our entry candle. Either this as a stop loss, or you can keep this as a stop loss. Nothing harm in that. We conservatively can put a little bit of 22 points or whatever away from that. We entered the position here. exit when you get the three consecutive opposite color candles. So here we got a green candle, we got exit. Okay, stop loss has been true. So if you see here, we got 300 points. Sorry, it's actually more than that. From 850, close to 850 to we exited around 500. So close to 350 points in 5 minutes chart using this strategy. And then here we got a buy signal for what is that? Super trend, but this high is not broken. Rather, we got a sell signal. So here there is no entry because our entry candle high is not broken, and as you can see, it actually the trend was reversed. So that is the reason not only using indicator is important, along with the indicator use the strategy as well. Okay, so that's the best way to get high probable trade in the market. So this is for Nifty. And one more thing, I randomly did a back test. It actually gave in the month of April, the actual Nifty movement was close to 60 points. But using this strategy and super trend, it actually gives us close to 1750 points. It's a backtest result of Nifty when compared with. I mean, it's a simple buy and hold when compared with this indicator. So this is for Bank Nifty, same 5 minutes. Low was broken here. We take a position. This is the entry candle. Stop loss when you get the three green candles. We exit. Again, we got a buy signal here. We take a position somewhere here. Entry candle. We exit somewhere here when you get three red candles. So here. Yes, so here we take a position somewhere here and then we exited somewhere here. So here we had a stop loss. We entered a position somewhere here and then three consecutive we exited somewhere here. We made a profit. And then here there is no signal because the we got the sell signal, but the sell signal low is not broken, so there is no entry. And then here we have a buy high is broken. We enter somewhere here and then we exit somewhere here. Okay, so mostly we'll make money even if we lose by one Renko candle size. So it differs from individuals. Mostly it will be 22 or 44 in that way. So that is the maximum risk we'll be taking in this strategy. And entry wise, like we used to make good money. So in this case also, if you see, we entered somewhere around 34 or 200 and then we exited somewhere around 32,800. So even if you see here, we made 1400 points in Bank Nifty using 5 minutes chart. Okay. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Actually, guys, I put up more effort on identifying the strategy and then implementing or backtesting the strategy with the Indian market and then explaining it. So I request you to please subscribe and then like my video to motivate me. Okay. Thanks, guys. We'll catch up soon in the next video.